Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is writing linear equations from a table. To understand how to write linear equations using a table, let's do some questions. The first one says write the equation on the line describing, and we see we given a table which has the values of x and corresponding their values of y. Before we go on to solve the question, let's see the steps involved. First, we'll be picking up two sets of points, that is for two values of x and two values of y. So we take x1, y1 and x2 and y2. So this will give us two set of coordinates, that is x1 y1 and x2 y2. Using the formula for slope, that is represented by the letter m, equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This will give us the slope for the line. Now using the slope intercept form that is given by the formula, we write the slope intercept form, and it is given by the formula y equals to mx plus c. We have the value of m that we will find out from here. Y and x are also given to us. We can pick up the first values from the table, and from where we'll find out the value of c, and plugging it back in the same equation we will get the equation of the line. So let's start off. In the first question we have x1, let's take 3, the first value of x, and y1 is 4. Now x2 is negative 3 and y2 is negative 2. So we use the formula m equals to y2, that is negative 2, minus y1, that's 4, divided by x2 is negative 3 minus x1 is 3. So this turns out to be negative 2 minus 4 is a negative 6, divided by negative 3 minus 3 is also negative 6. Negative 6 divided by negative 6 is a 1. So now we have the slope as 1. We've already found out one quantity for the equation. Now we'll use y equals to mx plus c. So substituting the value of m as 1 and x plus c. From the first we take x1 and y1 as x and y. y1 is 4. 1 times x1 is 3 plus c. To find out the value of c, we will simplify this equation. We subtract 3 from both sides to do away with this 3 from here. 3 minus 3 equals to 0. 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So the value of c is 1. So our equation is y equals to mx plus c, where m is 1, so y equals to x plus 1 is the final answer, and can be seen in option C. Using this methodology, we'll be doing the next questions. Let's see the next one. It says write the equation of the line describing. The table is given to us where we have values of x and values of y. So let's see. We pick up x1 as negative 1, y1 equals to negative 4, x2 as 2, and y2 as again negative 4. So let's find out the slope. It's y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is negative 4 minus y1 is negative 4 divided by x2 is 2 minus negative 1. On the numerator we have negative 4. Negative times negative is a positive 4. Negative times negative is positive, so 2 plus 1, which is equals to negative 4 plus 4 is 0, divided by 3. This is nothing but 0. So we have the slope as 0. So we'll use a slope intercept form to find out the y-intercept first, that is c. Y, so we'll use the value of y1 as negative 4 equals to m is 0, x is negative 1 plus c. So negative 4 equals to 0 times negative 1 is 0 plus c. c equals to negative 4. So we'll finally write the equation y equals to 0 times x minus 4, or y equals to 0 times x is 0 is equals to negative 4. This is the final answer, y equals to negative 4, which can be seen in option B. Now from the table, if we see that the value of y is same, whenever we have the value of y as same, so our equation is always of the type y equals to c. So that's why we got y equals to negative 4. Moving on to the next question. Write the equation on the line describing. We given the value of x, and then we given the values of y. So x1 equals to negative 4, y1 equals to 4, x2 equals to negative 4, y2 equals to negative 3. So now we'll find out the slope first. M equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Negative 3 minus 4 is a negative 7 divided by negative 4 plus 4. We have negative 7 divided by 0. This is undefined. Anything divided by 0 cannot be defined. Now here we see that the value of x is remaining the same. For this kind of equations, our answer is always x equals to c. So now here c is nothing but whatever is the value of x, that is negative 4. So x equals to negative 4 is the correct answer, which can be seen in option B. I repeat, whenever the value of x is same, our equation is of the type x equals to c. So that means x equals to negative 4 will be the correct answer, which is option B. I hope writing linear equations from a table is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.